In this video, I will show you how you can add your Exness demo account to MetaTrader 5. So firstly, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Then you need to be signed to your Exness account. And then you just need to go to My Accounts under Trading. And here you need to create demo account if you don't have already one. So you just need to click on this Open Account. Then you can choose your account type, so you can keep this on standard, then click on continue. Then make sure you selected demo and you can choose your currency. So let's say I want to trade in euros, so I'm gonna select euros. Then you can also set your starting balance, so let's say 50k. You can choose your nickname, so let's say MT5 test. You can also set your max leverage, so let's say 1 to 50. And then you need to select MT5 as a platform, so make sure MT5 is selected. And then you need to set your trading password. So make sure to remember this password because we are going to need it for later. And then just click on create account. And now once your account is created, you need to click on trade next to it. Then click on MetaTrader 5. And you will get those credentials which you will need to log in MetaTrader 5. So you will see this server, so you need to connect on this server, and this is your MT login. And then password, you need to use your trading password which you set earlier. So I'm gonna open MetaTrader 5, and in top left corner you want to click on File, then open an account. From here you want to search for Exness, then click on Find Your Company, and now you should see many different Exness companies. And you can choose this last one, this Exness Technologies Ltd for a demo account. Then click on Next. Now you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And here you need to type your trading password, which you set earlier. And then in the login, you want to copy this empty login from Exness. And for the server, you want to choose Exness MT5 trial. So you can open this server dropdown. So it's this one, Exness MT5 trial. Then you want to click on finish. And as you can see, it has been successfully connected. So it's showing me Exness MT5 trial demo account. So this is how you can add demo account to a MetaTrader 5. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.